guys, I'm back with another quick DIY tutorial. This is an invitation. So I decided to put a little twist on it. This invitation should be under $2. Sometimes your silk folio invitations are between 10 and 15. So we wanted to do a twist and take a simple like flyer style invite and put it inside of a little decorated envelope. You can do this for men and women, and I'll show you everything that you need. So I actually played around with this invitation and did a little bit of the graphics, and it was quite fun. The colors for this invite were beautiful. The purple and the pink and the black just meshed well together, and I'll link the link below for the template for this invitation. So I'll show you everything that you need. You'll need an invitation sleeve, and I got this from Card and Pockets online. I use them, and I always try to use like a metallic cardstock with them. You'll need ribbon and a buckle. This rhinestone buckle was about an inch long, not that big, but they were beautiful. We ordered 100 of them, and it just gave the invitation an extra little, sparkle. And so I also used the ribbon, the fuchsia ribbon I got from eBay for 50 yards for like $11, including shipping. A steal. This was 2 1/4 inch wide. So this was definitely a steal, and I'll link the link below for these 2 items. Another thing that if you plan on doing a lot of arts and crafts, I would suggest investing in an extended tip glue gun. This helps you to get into the little teeny tiny crevices, and you'll see as we're going through this invitation how needful it is. So here we go. This is very, very simple. You're going to cut your ribbon to size. I actually went through and ironed each piece of ribbon. And this invitation sleeve has a notch on one side, but I wanted to use the straight side. And so you're going to cut all of your ribbon to size. Not too much over, not too much under. You're really going to have to take your time. I will kind of pre-cut them a little bit bigger, and then go back in and cut each one to size, because with this particular style, you don't want to have too much over and too much under. So it's really, really simple, but it's time consuming because with every step, you want to make sure the glue dries before you start moving the ribbon. So this ribbon was pretty wide, and I hit this ribbon in 4 different points, 2 at the top and 2 in the middle. And then I let them dry before I moved to the next step to, give it a little buckle. I wanted this ribbon to be really, really big and luxurious looking on this invite because the theme was, rhinestones, and it had like satin linens and different things. So I wanted to give it a big bang for the occasion. So now I'm going in to make the pleat or buckle, if you want to call that. It's a pleat, but you want to make sure you have a little bit of give and that it's not too tight fitting. And you'll see why, like when you go to gather the material together, you need a little bit of leeway. And see, this one really should have been measured a smidget longer. But, you can pleat it and bend it and make it work out. But you do need a little bit of give when you create your when you glue your 2 sides. And you see how you need the really, really tight extended tip to go in each side. So once you have both sides bent in and you create a pleat on both sides, then you're going to add on your rhinestone embellishment. Be sure not to put the glue all the way on the edge, because when you go to press the hot glue, it will spill over. So these are the little teeny tips that will keep you from bumping, the ribbon and everything with the glue gun and, making a little bit of a mess. You can take all your strings of glue gun off and it's really, really simple, really, really cute and simple. You want to press it down and make sure that it's kind of like tight fitting. Right, so this is the final invitation. Very, very pretty. And so I'll try to put in a buckle if you have to do it for a gentleman to keep it nice and masculine. But what we did, there was a few that had to be mail out. So we ordered the invite that matched the invitations, the envelope that matches the invitations from the company, and make sure you get the right size. I believe this envelope size was 5 8.5 by 7.5. So make sure you get the right size. This one did not close. I could have put a Velcro like circle sticky inside, but I wanted to keep the invitation a full 5 by 7, so I didn't want to compromise the size. And so this is it. It's really, really lovely. Okay, see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.